Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I just saw the craziest thing happen. So I have a cat named Ava. And Ava ate a bird. Here. Like, what the fuck? How? I don't know how she did that, but please stay safe around here. So please stay safe around here. So please stay safe. Have a good night. And I'm gonna look for the cat so I can show you. Anyways, here's the eagle or bird, I don't give a fuck. Anyways, I'm gonna look for the cat. Here she is. Can you see it? Yeah. You saw it! She's like a ghost or monster or what the fuck is that? Anyways, stay safe. Please stay safe and have a good night.